शहादत का कर्ज देश पर उधार है। हम और हमारे अपने खुशहाल हैं आज, क्योंकि सीमा पर सैनिक बलिदान के लिए तैयार है। Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for all our army jawans. So let's start our today's journey. Mother India Crossship Queens salutes each and every soldier present here and across the country who are standing strong 24/7 for all of us, whether it's under scorching sun or on sweltering sand or in freezing Siachen. Let's have a look on some beautiful moments of MICQ journey so far with our Army family. Thank you. Wow, beautiful moments relate. Kudos to Swapna Sridharan, our MICQ IT head, who has compiled all these pictures and made these moments alive. Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. To make this day a blessed one and seeking blessings for our Army Jawans, I request our admirable Mrs. Subhashri Natarajan, our founder leader of MICQ, to accompany our highly regarded chief guest, Major General Roy Joseph, to come up on the stage and light the lamp. I would also request Brigadier R.K. Magotra and Mrs. Magotra to come up on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for all our Army brothers. खूबसूरत सा रिश्ता है मेरे और खुदा के बीच, ज़्यादा मैं मांगती नहीं और कम वो देता नहीं. It is a mark of our undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of an important event. I would like to call upon Mrs. Soumya Guram for Ganesh Vandana, followed by an ode to Mother Goddess, our Bharat Mata. Vande Mataram. Soumya ji, please. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Soumya ji.
कर दे रहोगे मुझे जुगा दोगी मुझे मासे आप
Moving further, I would like to invite Mrs. Subhashri Natarajan to welcome our chief guest, Major General Roy Fuller, to come up on the stage presenting a gift as a token of our love and respect. I would like to request Mrs. Subhashri Natarajan to give our token of love gift to Brigadier R.K. Magotra and Mrs. Magotra. Ladies and I would like to request Mrs. Subhashri Natarajan to please felicitate, give a gift to Colonel C.B.S. Bharwal and Mrs. Bharwal. So, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, I have to remind you, please do your. I would like to request Mrs. Padmaja Arvindan to come up on the stage and give the token of love to to Lieutenant Colonel R.K. Bhavana. We look forward for the presence of Colonel V. Srinivas on the stage. He has been our strength of pillar to make this program successful. Sir, please come up on the stage. Mrs. Subhashri Natarajan. Mrs. Srinivasan, please come up on the stage. It is now time to call upon stage a woman with a distinct vision and path-breaking ideas. The woman we all see as our leader and someone we really look up to. Mrs. Subhashri Natarajan, the founder of Mother India Crochet Queens. An avid crocheter since age of 10, she saw the dream of creating a Guinness World Record with her crochet skills and ended up creating a mass chorus of fellow crocheters who are now proud holders of 3 Guinness World Records. Thanks to their crochet skills and thanks to our magnificent leader. Under her guidance and support, MICQ has become a family with a group of people from all over the globe and all walks of life with the mission of being creative and share the happiness of giving. I would like to quote Warren Bennis when I say, leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. This truly defines you, ma'am. I would like to invite Mrs. Subhashri Natarajan, our idol of knowledge, experience and inspiration, to formally welcome the gathering. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mrs. Subhashri Natarajan.
Namaste. Respected chief guests, special guests, everyone here. A patriot shows his patriotism by his actions. What an inspirational quote it is. On behalf of Mother India's Crochet Queens, I would like to thank the Indian Army for allowing us to show our respect, love and affection towards our brave rebels. Putting together a project of this scale, wherein several Indian women have lovingly crocheted caps and cows for our army jawans, has meant a lot of hard work, a lot of handwork, and mainly we all work from the heart. especially appreciate the effort of Mrs. Anshu Malini, who sparked this idea in my mind and put her heart and soul into it to get it materialized. One fine morning she called me and told she got permission to meet higher officials in the army, and I was so happy. When I came here to meet them, I came to know that they know my brother, Brigadier G.M. Shankar, retired now, very well. As a civilian, it's a great honor for our group to get a chance to show our gratitude towards our Indian Army. Indian Army is like a mother, does work selflessly and never asks for anything in return. Today, we are seeing a growing number of females in the forces, and it is very inspirational for us as it gives us a feeling of patriotism and women power. It is very fortunate for all of us that we live in a country which has one of the strongest, toughest and undefeated armies in the world. Really, I am very proud to lead this project as the founder of Mother India's Crochet Queens. When I announced about this project, as usual, our enthusiastic members jumped into this immediately without any second thought. It shows how gratitude we carry in our hearts towards Army. I would like to make a special mention of the entire MICQ Gujarat chapter. They dedicated a lot of effort, time and energy. Every process was taken care very seriously according to the guidelines given to them. Congratulations and well done, team MICQ Gujarat. All our MICQ, Goodwill Ambassadors and area coordinators have worked hard towards collecting data, arranging meets, collecting cows and calves from all over India, UAE, Bahrain, Oman, Singapore, Malaysia, USA and Central America. Nearly 500 members, including children and senior citizens, made 3,600 sets of cows and calves for our Indian Army. From being a group that has successfully made 3 Guinness World Records to finding a deeper purpose by taking up the Army project, MICQ is living proof that a humble crochet needle is all it takes to make a change. My special thanks to Ganga Acrowols Limited for believing in MICQ's dreams and ideas right from the time of our inception. Ganga Acrowols stood behind us right from our first Guinness World Record attempt and continued to stand by us for the Army project. They gave us sponsored yarn and also high discounted yarn. When I spoke to Mr. Maninder Sharma regarding the yarn color, he immediately spoke to his MD. They decided to provide us with specially dyed yarn in the Army approved color that we had requested for. My special thanks to my company, Raido Engineering Private Limited. Basically, I am working as a CEO in a manufacturing company of electrical distribution boards and panel boards. This crochet is my passion, so I didn't mix my profession and passion. So our company MD, he helps us a lot, complete Guinness World Record 3 times. Without our company people's support, it would not be possible for us. So I would like to thank him now for his continuous support. Our special thanks to Dr. Patel for supporting Komal Niranjan Pai Patel, her son, her MD, who has done all kinds of supports like bringing cottons, packing it, helping her completely and arranging here, everything he has supported us without any hurdle. On this note, I would like to conclude my words and extend special thanks to our real heroes for joining us today and making this event unforgettable to all of us. We will all go home tonight and sleep in peace, knowing that the Army Jawans who always protect us shall know the warmth and love of their sisters when they wrap their cozy caps and cowls around them. In a small and loving way, we wash our hands to protect them too. Jai Hind.
down for your earnest welcome address. Now, I would like to invite Mrs. Meena Sivamayanam to enthrall us with a poem praising our Army Jawan brothers. Mrs. Meena Sivamayanam. सबको मेरा नमस्कार. Otherwise, I wouldn't have known that such a group existed. I thank Subhashri ma'am and Anshu ma'am for giving me an opportunity to recite a poem on this prestigious occasion. A soldier. What does the letters and the word soldier stand for? S for steady, solid and strong. O for optimistic, outstanding and organized. L for loyal, logical and level-headed. D for diligent, decisive and disciplined. I for intelligent, idealistic and immovable if necessary. E for earnest, effective and efficient. R for rational, resourceful and resolute. In a soldier, we see discipline as he walks. We hear honor as he talks. We see courage in his eyes. We see loyalty that he won't compromise. There is strength that beats from his heart. A soldier is just not a title. A soldier is just not a title. It's his soul buried deep inside. Indian soldiers, the defenders of our borders, the real heroes of our nation, the true sons of our country, the most disciplined persons among all. Be it blood freezing cold or the scorching sun's rays, service and sacrifice, their only passion. In the jungle or the desert, mountains, on land or on sea, for their service as our warriors, they deserve our utmost admiration and gratitude for their unconditional service, protection to the nation and love for the country. They are the ones who leave all they own to make sure our future is carved in stone. They face every plight without getting afraid. They often bathe in a rain of grenades. They don't hesitate to take a bullet with pride. Hats off to their eternal will and restless spirit. They will stay forever in our hearts, in our memories, in history too, for their dauntless bravery, the real superheroes of our nation who don't fight for any fame. Let us honor our Indian Army, the men and women who serve, whose dedication to our motherland does not falter, halt or swerve. Let us support and defend them, whose hardships are brutal and cruel, whose discipline we can't even imagine, who obey and follow every order and rule. They are the pride of our nation, their life a source of inspiration. We owe them our freedom, our happiness. As Indians, we know what freedom means, the joy, the peace and the right to dream. Thank you one and all for your service and sacrifice. Thank you for protecting what we dearly hold. May God keep you safe in all that you do and bring you back home to those who love you. With a hand upon our hearts, we the Mother India Crochet Queens feel the pride and respect as our flag waves above us in our glory and service. Our royal salute to the Indian soldiers right from the bottom of our hearts. Jai Hind. Thank you, Minaji. It was wonderful. हौसला बारूद रखते हैं, वतन के कदमों में जान मौजूद रखते हैं, मिटा देते हैं दुश्मन के लकीरे फरमान, हम फौजी हैं, फौलादी वजूद रखते हैं. I look around the stage and in awe of the stalwarts gathered around here. I am profusely elated to take an opportunity to introduce our chief guest of the day, Major General Roy Joseph. On behalf of Mother India Crochet Queens, I thank him for providing his gracious presence to join us today to enhance our joy. Major General Roy Joseph is an alumnus of National Defence Academy, Kharak Basra and Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, and was commissioned into 65 Field Regiment on the 17th December 1983. During his distinguished military career, he has held various staff and command appointments successfully. To name a few, he was General Staff Officer to Operations in an Infantry Division, Colonel General Staff in Headquarters Army Training Command, Headquarters 20 Mountain Division, Brigadier Administration and the Officers Training Academy. He has done various courses in his military career and excelled in all courses. To name a few, the Long Gunnery Staff Course, Technical Staff Officers Course, and Higher A Command Course. I would like to request our Chief Guest to please come up on the stage and say some few words, sir.
First of all, I am really honored on behalf of all the officers and men of the armed forces to be present in a gathering like this. The name itself suggests, Mother India's crochet wheel, and I think the name has been aptly selected. We, the armed forces, what you feel that we do what we guard the borders, we do our job. But I think you all sitting here today, I think there are various people from various streams of life, right from a CEO to people who are working in firms, people who are working in government organizations, people from abroad, people who have retired and still working, children who are making. I think the age from, like I was told, from around 5 or 7 or 8 years on till about 90 years, all involved in this crochet wheel organization. My hats off to them and a big salute to them. I think it's a very, very honorable job as far as I am concerned to receive such loving affection from all of you as patriotic citizens. Look into what the army is doing, and I can assure you that all these caps and cows will reach the correct men guarding the borders in the high altitude areas. My opinion. And I would also like to thank Mrs. Swasti Rajan, who had come yesterday to my house to invite me. I am really honored and to be in presence of all these, I would say, distinguished people who have taken the time out and come here all the way from all across the country, made their effort to make these items for the armed forces. And I'm sure this thing is a start point for all of you, and it's a very big thank you from all of us, and thanks a lot for all the wonderful work you have done, and our best wishes to you for your future endeavors, and I'm sure you're going to break a number of more Guinness Book of World Records which you are added. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Further going forward, our love for and respect for our army people. We know you have put on your life to save our tomorrow. There is no way we can thank you. But with the dance, our kids have come forward to salute you and give you a message that we love you all. Please give a big round of applause for the small kids who have come.
मेरा मोबाइल लो, उसमें से वीडियो उतार, उसमें कमी मोबाइल अच्छा नहीं रहेगा।
मैडम ने बोला ना वो नहीं दे इसीलिए
नहीं, वीडियो भी उतारो लेकिन मेरा डिवाइस यूज़ करो।
दे दो।
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, बैलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारों है, इस देश का यारों का कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी, सर पे लाडों की रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी, सर पे लाडों की रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
हर करम अपना करेंगे, हर वतन तेरे लिए, दिया है जान से, हर वतन तेरे लिए।
आजा आजा जिंदू शामियां के तले, आजा जलीला नीले आसमान के तले। तक दे अंगिया, तक दे अंगिया। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम वंदे सत्य श्याम नाम वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन,
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन के माथे की रंजिया।
ये दुनिया इंडिया, ये दुनिया इंडिया, आया इंडिया।
ये मेरा इंडिया। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, रंग दे, रंग दे, रंग दे बसंती चोला, माए रंग दे। माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम, वंदे आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला।
झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजय बीच तिरंगा प्यारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। ये देश है वीर जवानों का, बैलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारों है, इस देश का यारों का कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी, सर पे लाडों की रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी, सर पे लाडों की रूसी, फिर भी दिल है शामियान के तले आजा जरी बार नीले आसमान के तले जय हो चकरे इंडिया चकरे इंडिया वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम सत्यम सुखदाम बड़े जीवन सत्य कामना मातरम वंदे समझो दिल भर जानी जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी फिर भी तुम है हिंदुस्तानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी फिर भी तुम है हिंदुस्तानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला रंग दे रंग दे रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे तुझे सलाम अम्मा तुझे सलाम वंदे आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
रंगीला 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 रंगीला
हमारा विजय बीच तिरंगा प्यारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा
What a performance. Kudos to Sura's ODC Dance Academy. अच्छी नीचे आप लोग I think यहाँ पर बनता है कि हर बच्चा यहाँ पे आके अपना नाम बोले और उसके लिए जोरदार तालियां हों। आप सब अपना नाम बताइए प्लीज।
मेरा नाम अनुप्रिया भट्टाचार्य है। मेरा नाम उदिता सिन्हा है। मेरा नाम पूर्वी स्वाई है। मेरा नाम सिदीक्षा देव है। मेरा मुस्कान है। अंशिका वर्मा। मेरा नाम कृपिता महापात्रा है।
Ladies and gentlemen, I think कि इतनी जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए कि आज पूरा ये कैंप गो इन जाए बच्चों के लिए। Now I will request Anshu Malini and Ms. Smita Pratap to come up on the stage and give a sweet gift to these kids. Ms. Sudha, please come up on the stage. A big round of applause for the Guru. It is well said, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. would request Mrs. Haima Shekhar to come up on the stage. She is here to share her feelings with us on life of our army jawans and thanking them. Let's welcome Haima Shekhar.
सभा में विराजित अध्यक्षगण, अतिथिजन, मित्रों, भाइयों बहनों, आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम हाइमा शेखर है और मैं मदर इंडिया प्रोजेक्ट की चेन्नई शाखा की सदस्य हूँ। आज के इस कार्यक्रम के आयोजकों को धन्यवाद देते हुए मैं कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। कभी ठंड में ठिठुर कर देख, कभी धूप में जल कर देख, कैसी होती मुल्क की हिफाजत, कभी सरहद पर चल कर देख। क्या इन पंक्तियों को सुनकर आपको हमारे वीर जवान भाइयों की याद नहीं आती? हाँ, अवश्य आती है। तो चलिए मैं आपको हमारे वीर जवान भाइयों के बारे में चंद शब्द सुनाती हूँ। यदि आज हम इस दुनिया में सुखमय जीवन बिता रहे हैं तो इसका प्रथम कारण हमारे वीर जवान हैं जो हमारे देश की रक्षा करते हैं, और दूसरा व्यक्ति हमारे किसान हैं जो हमारे खेतों में अनाज का उत्पादन करते हैं। हमारे देश के लोग इन दो व्यक्तियों को आंखों समान मानते हैं। जय जवान, जय किसान। सरहद पर देश की रक्षा करते हुए युद्ध के समय ये निस्वार्थ सैनिक अपने प्राणों की भी परवाह किए बिना हर वक्त सतर्क रहकर प्रकृति के भीषण प्रहार को भी तुच्छ समझकर हमारे देश और देशवासियों की सुरक्षा को सर्वप्रथम स्थान देते हैं। यदि आज हम सुरक्षित हैं तो हमारे वीर जवान की वजह से ही है, जो देश के लिए जीते हैं और देश के लिए मरते हैं। ये सच्चे देशभक्त जो प्रत्यक्ष भगवान है, क्या हम उनके कर्ज को कभी अदा कर सकते हैं? हाँ, अवश्य कर सकते हैं। मधुमक्खियों से भी स्फूर्ति मदर इंडिया प्रोजेक्ट की नारियों ने कंधों से कंधा मिलाकर, कदमों से कदम बढ़ाकर हमारे वीर जवान भाइयों के लिए क्रोशे के बनाए हुए मफलर और टोपियां आज के इस अवसर पर तोहफे के रूप में प्रदान किए हैं। हमें आशा है कि उन्हें इससे राहत मिलेगी। मदर इंडिया प्रोजेक्ट की नारियों की ओर से मैं आयोजकों को धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ, जिन्होंने हमें सैनिकों की सेवा के लिए एक मौका दिया है। मैं यकीनन इसे ईश्वर की ही महिमा मानती हूँ। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
थैंक यू मैम। नहीं आसान है यारों फौजी होना, दूसरों की सलामती के लिए अपना सब कुछ खोना। Our real heroes are men and women in uniform. We don't know you all, but we owe you all. Today we all have gathered here to say thanks to our Indian brave brothers. The caps and coats crowds crocheted with love are here to be gifted. I would like to invite Mrs. Subhashi Natarajan to please come up on the stage and give the crocheted caps and cows to our Major General Roy Joseph. I would also like to request Komal Niranjan Bhai Patel to come up on the stage and show our members and army family the caps and calls that have been made by our MICQ family. Komal ma'am. She is giving a demo of the caps and cows which have been crocheted by MICQ family. I would request all GAs to please come up on the stage. All goodwill ambassadors of MICQ, please come up on the stage. Sir, please come up on the stage. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
But is recording. It's okay? I don't know if she's asking
Because there is no internet for me also. Nobody has internet.
That's okay.
एक सैनिक ने क्या खूब लिखा है, किसी गजरे को महकता छोड़ आया हूँ, मेरी नन्ही सी चिड़िया को चहकता छोड़ आया हूँ, मुझे छाती से अपनी लगा लेना है भारत माँ, मैं अपनी माँ की बाहों को तरसता छोड़ आया हूँ. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to honor our martyrs and their families. Give a big round of applause to each and every. I would like to request Mrs. Rachna Gaur to come up on the stage and felicitate Mr. Munir Shah, father of Martyr Lance Nayak Gopal Singh Bhadoria. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I will request Mrs. Savita Swanag to come up on the stage and felicitate Mr. Jagdish Soni, brother of Martyr Captain Nilesh Soni.
Jai Hind. I am very thankful for today's function and MICQ organization to honor martyr and armed forces soldiers. I am brother of Captain Nilesh Soni. Today I have heard sir is from Field Regiment. Nilesh was in circle to Field Regiment and he sacrificed life. इसका नाम सुन के उस धरती से सियाह प्लेस 3 महीना उन्होंने सेवा की वहाँ और 12 फरवरी 1983 को इनकी पोस्ट पे जब पाकिस्तान ने अटैक किया तो वो बहादुर से लड़के 25 साल की उम्र उन्होंने अपनी जान बचाया. ये शहीदों हैं, आपने सम्मान किया, हम आपका भी ऋणी हैं, तो आप याद करते हैं Mulim Singh Bhadoria Saab here. I am very thankful to organization and salute to our existing heroes and those who have sacrificed their life for nation, for our safety and for defense of nation. Jai Hind.
I would request Mrs. Renu Dona to come up on the stage and felicitate Brij Kishore ji, father of Martyr Pradeep Kushwaha. I would like to request Mrs. Soumya Guvaran to please come up on the stage and felicitate Anand Ma, wife of Martyr Anirudh Singh. Mr. Martyr Anirudh Singh. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to request Prerna Das to come up on the stage and felicitate Anand Ba, wife of Martyr Darshan Singh Waghela. Thank you, ma'am. The reward of a thing well done is having done it. However, we would be falling short of our duty if we do not recognize a thing well done and encourage it. I would like to request Mrs. Subhashri Natarajan. I would like to request Mr. Colonel Srinivas to please come near the stage. I'm sorry, just a second. I think we are missing one member of our Martyr family, so we are waiting to announce that. Mrs. Anshu Malini, please come up on the stage and felicitate Mrs. Shilpa Divakar, wife of Martyr Shahid Divakar. I would like to request Mrs. Subhashri Natarajan to announce the name of top 3 contributors.
पिलर के लिए स्टैंड
Mrs. B.G. Rajan, please come up on the stage to felicitate Virendra Singh Ji, father of Martyr Shashi Prabhakar Rajput. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Mrs. Sushi Natarajan is going to announce the name of the top 3 contributors.
Hello everyone. All members put their heart and made so much of caps and crowns. In that, I want to announce the top 3 contributors in MICQ as a whole. First goes to Anshu Malni. She did 100 sets of 1,000 caps. Second top contributor is Mrs. Padmaja Arvindan. She had done 80 sets of 1,000 cards. Third goes to Mrs. Renu Thakkar. She has done 61 sets of 1,000 cards.
She is one of our youngest members. A big round of applause for her. Next, we are going forward with Subhashri ma'am announcing the name of the most active members.
Other than this top, other than these top 3 contributors, we have selected across the world who are very active in this MICQ. All are active, but it was very difficult to find who is very active. In that, we selected a very few people. One is Sandhya Kolkar. Please come on stage. Mrs. Soumya Guvalagan. Sujata Nagure. Revati Vadrajan. Nandini Karthik. Sharada, yours. I would like Charu to hand over the contribution gift. As we are lovers of yarn, we have gifted yarn to them.
I would like to request Smita Pratap to please come up on the stage and felicitate Vallabhbhai Ramani, father of late Major Rishikesh Ramani. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to request Mrs. Subhashri Natarajan to please come up on the stage and give away the Best GA Award. Best GA Performance Award.
Across the world, we have nearly 28 goodwill ambassadors. I'm the founder and under me, Indian Operations Head and Overseas Head of that. Then International Observers, 4 people, and 28 goodwill ambassadors, and nearly 120 area coordinators and 10 members. So we do as a good organization. So in that, every week, every Saturday, sharp 5 o'clock, they have to give me the data, weekly data, what members have committed. Whatever they want, they can commit. That is okay. Once they committed, they have to stick into that. They can increase but should not decrease. So it has to be maintained by goodwill ambassadors. Area coordinators will collect the data, give to goodwill ambassador on Friday. Saturday morning 5 o'clock, it has to given to me through WhatsApp. We have nearly 360 WhatsApp groups across the world. In all the group I am there, but I will give answer only if it is needed. Otherwise, these will be taken care only by goodwill ambassadors. And between 5 to 5, all goodwill ambassadors will post. In that, we have some competition. Maximum number of times who are given 5 o'clock. If it is given by 4:56, it is not good. We will not take into consideration. So 5 o'clock, they will keep the alarm and post. In that, we have selected Tamil Nadu Goodwill Ambassador Vijay Rajan.
Clap, clap.
I'm very sorry. It is Meenakshi Ganesh Pune, good ambassador. I'm very sorry.
We need to have some fun moments too. I would request Mrs. Meenakshi to come up on the stage and felicitate the representatives from two schools who have come today to visit and be a part of this great event. Army Public School and Ahmedabad Public School. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for this. Thank you, ma'am. अपना जमाना आप बनाते हैं दिल, हम वो नहीं जिनको जमाना बनाएगा. This lines are dedicated today to two of our team members, Miss Komal Niranjan Bhai Patel and Mrs. Anshu Malani. Shri Radhe ma'am, please come up on the stage. There is something special for you. Please come. Coming to surprise for selection. As all good things come to an end, in ordinary life we hardly realize that we receive a great deed more than we give, and that is only with gratitude the life becomes rich. I request Ms. Komal Niranjan Bhai Patel to thank one and all present here.
लाइन में खड़े होना आगे ऐसे से नहीं.
हाँ ठीक.
जय हिंद. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसलिए ये गुलसिता हमारा. I am proud to be an Indian and we are Indians only because of the brave brothers who are working at the army and they are working because their family is allowing them to do so. So I think that brave brothers are the brave, but the bravest are the families. So I thank the family members of the army. Because of them, we are able to live a very peaceful life. Today, we are very honored and it is our pleasure that we got this opportunity only because of our Mother India Crochet Queens founder, Subhashini Natarajan. So, I thank from the bottom of my heart our Indians, brave brothers, Mother India Crochet Queens, Subhashini Natarajan, and Anshu Malini ji who initiated this project. But this would have not been possible without the support of our brother Colonel Srinivasan ji. So, a big round of applause to him. We Mother India Crochet Queens are very lucky because we have got a very good family who appreciate our good work and motivate us in each and every work. So without the family support, without the office would not have been possible. So a big thanks to Mother India Crochet Twins families and their office peoples. I would like to thank the Goodwill Ambassadors, IT heads, creative heads, area coordinators and members to put their hard work and making this event a very grand success. Today, I always tell that MICQ is a family, and really I feel that this is a family because for this very special event we have gathered from each and every corner of India and also from country Dubai. So this is our honor and we thank each and every member present here. Today, the lovely children who performed the dance and showed their patriotism, so a big thanks to each of them. I would like to thank the students from Mukbari who will be performing national anthem. This would not have been possible if our members were not active and they were not putting their hard work. So a big thanks to each and every member present here. I would like to thank our bull sponsors Ganga Agro Bull for sponsoring us yarn, and also to each and every member who have put their efforts in sponsoring. So big thanks to all the sponsors. I would like to thank myself, Dr. J.D. Patel, and my colleagues who put their hard work and they helped me in each and every possible way. It is not that only my office staff is working and helping us. I think that we people, there are many people in our group, and each and every office staff help them. So on behalf of entire team, I thank each and every member's office staff also for this contribution. I would like to thank our photographer Jignesh Bhai Pali, who is voluntarily taking our photographs in each and every MICQ meet without any expectation. And I thank because this makes our event more memorable. A big thanks to our founder Subhashi Natarajan because she made all the crocheters under one roof and made us active. It is not that we just make one activity and we just close it. She will never keep us hook and yarn side. So I think that after this also she has decided what to do next, and immediately when we go here, she will just tell that okay, this is our next project. So I thank each and every member. I would like to thank my Gujarat, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh team for putting their hard work in not only making yarn, not making cats and cows, but also in contributing to meet in each and every meet and join cats and cows together. I would like to thank MICQ Anand team especially because in each and every meet they have put their hard work. So a big thanks to the Anand team. So over and above, I would like to thank Almighty because of His blessings only we are able to do so. Also, I would like to thank our parents for giving us this opportunity and encouraging our work. So from the bottom of my heart, I thank each and every MICQ family members also, and especially those who are married, for to them their better half because they are encouraging their work. They are not telling that what are you doing, just only crocheting and not taking food for me. So big thanks to the family members. I am very happy today to be present here, and I would not like to end here. I would like to thank each and every member present today for this event, and also those who are not present, especially Swapna Sridharanji, who is our IT head and the MICQ journey, and every certificate and everything it is done by her. So I thank from the bottom of my heart to Swapna Sridharanji. I would like to thank Charu for great presentation, and I would like to thank all Goodwill ambassadors, Meena ji, Savita ji, Renu ji, Meenakshi. Smitaji, Anshuji, Pari, and everybody. Thank you so much. And I think that this should not be a full stop here. I request on behalf of entire MICQ family to give this opportunity, and we are ready to cross it for our rest of our lives. Jai Hind.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would request you all to put your hands together for these specially able children who have come all the way to sing national anthem for us. I would request everyone to please stand up for the national anthem.
I am extremely sorry. I forgot to mention martyr families. Actually, I have mentioned family of all army jawans, but martyr families are present here. A big thanks to you also for this opportunity. Thank you, and the army people and army families.
Our kids are going to sing national anthem in the sign language for us. I will request everybody to sing along with them.
मेरी थोड़ा पाछा में
One minute, please, sir.
You start with
Jana Gana